Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I'm going to explain how to install Typo3 CMS application on MX Linux 17. First of all, Typo3 is a free and open source enterprise content management system. It's written in PHP and uses MySQL to store the data. The Typo3 CMS can run on HTTP servers such as Apache and IIS. It also runs on PHP 5.3 or newer version. The Typo3 is a responsive, multilingual and secure CMS. It can also be customized and extended without writing any code. The initially Typo3 CMS requires a observer to functionally based on LAMP setup on your system and requires some of the PHP modules. In my case, I have already installed and configured LAMP setup on my system. So I have to proceed the installation of Typo3 CMS application on my system. Now I'm going to download a Typo3 CMS application package using the following command. Then hit enter. The package is downloading now. The package has been downloaded successfully. Now we can list out the files, and then here we can see the downloaded package. The downloaded package is a tar file, so we need to extract the package using the following command. Then hit enter. The extraction is completed now. Now we can list out the files, and then here we can see the Typo3 CMS application directory. Now we can move this directory into the default HTML directory, and then here I have to mention a destination. Then we have to change into the following directory, and then here we can list out the files, and then here we can see the Typo3 CMS application directory, and then here we can change ownership and permission of the Typo3 CMS application directory using the following commands. Now I'm going to create a new virtual host configuration for accessing a Typo3 CMS application using the following command. And then here I have to create a new file. Then hit enter. The file is open now. And then here we can proceed the virtual host configuration. After making the virtual host configuration, we have to save and exit from this file. Then we have to enable the site accessing for new creation of virtual host configuration. Then we have to disable the default site access. Now we have to enable the rewrite module. Now we need to restart the Apache service using the following command. After restarting the Apache service, we have to open a browser. The browser is open now, and then here we can give the following URL, and then here we have to mention a local IP address or a domain name. So I have to give my domain name. Then hit enter. The site is open now, and then here we can see the compatibility checking to install a Typo3 CMS application. So here I have to choose continue, and then here we can configure the database detail. In my case, I have already created the database and database username, and also giving the privileges to access the Typo3 CMS application database. So here I have to give my detail. After configuring the detail, we have to click continue, and then here we have to choose the database, and then here we can see the already created the database. So here I have to choose the Typo3 database. After choosing the database, we have to click continue, and then here we have to configure the admin user credential. and then here we can configure the site name. After configuring the detail, we have to click continue. And then here we can choose the do nothing. Then we have to open up backend. The site is open now. Now we are in a login page of Typo3 CMS application. And then here we can log in with the help of using admin user credential. Then we have to click login. The site is open now. Now we are in a admin control panel of Typo3 CMS application. And then here we can see the major configuration modules. And then here we can see the admin user profile. And then here we can see the site name. And then here we can see the version of Typo3 CMS application. In this way too, you can install a Typo3 CMS application on MX Linux 17. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linuxhelp. If you want further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.